Hi, welcome back. Hello, students and professionals. IPO transactional process in SAP SD ECC or S4 HANA. It follows the same process. Uh, let's try to understand what are all the steps get involved. Okay, you can see this. First, you create a sales order. Then what you can do is this is a printing mistake ME21N or else ME57. So when you save that particular material, so it is procured by your external vendor where you have associated. Okay, so after that you do the goods receipt and you will send vendor incoming invoice. Okay, and after that delivery, SD side and billing. What exactly it is? What is IPO? Okay, first of all you try to understand. So for example, in regularly what happens? You create a order, you create delivery and billing. Okay, so this is the standard process. For example, you have a X material is there, Mr. Harish, okay, is my customer. So whenever Harish give customer for 100 quantity, so 100 quantity delivery created and the PCA will be done and after that billing will be done. This is the general process. Whereas Harish is the customer, he is one party. Okay, this stock is assumed that delivered by one company called Unilever. Okay, so this is one company, retail company. So this is another party. So this is first party and this is second party. Okay, both parties get involved. If any sales transaction will happen or purchase transaction, minimum two parties it should require. Okay, so this is right case. But individual purchase order means, for example, you will maintaining an inventory. So whereas suppose if it is 1000 stock, once this delivery is created, so 1000 minus 100, so 900 will be the remaining stock. This is the natural process actually. So why we required individual purchase order? Let me explain you. For example, you have an order. Okay, the same example I'm trying to explain. Assume that cases I'll explain you. For example, you don't maintain inventory at all. Whenever you get an order from Harish, you'll give to another person. Okay, his name is Subhash. So he is a vendor for Unilever. Okay, on behalf of him, uh, like Harish, if the vendor deliver this 100 stock, not from our inventory, remember this, okay, then it will be like a third party sales. So the same thing, like this third party, okay, this third party vendor, what he is going to do, he will send the stock to our company. That means this is regularly your manufacturing stock, 900 suppose left in the similar example. So, but your customer needed, assume that, 1500 stock. 1500 minus 900, another 600 it is required, right? Okay, apart from our inventory, then we are giving to vendor. This is coming from vendor to the company. Okay, 900 from your regular inventory. Okay, this is from, again we are adding to inventory with the help of the vendor. From vendor we are receiving the goods actually, because maybe you can think that either whether sister concern company or sub brother company. Okay, different terminology will be their business, it doesn't make any sense, or else he can be external vendor. Okay, you can able to take this stock from the vendor. Regular stock, this one, this is special stock. Okay, through vendor it is got added to inventory. You can call it as a on order stock. On order, why? Because you are giving the order, in turn it is creating purchase requisition, and after that PO it is creating MIGO you are doing. So then third party get involved in IPO, individual purchase order. Okay, individual, you can understand this one, right? This is the specific stock actually. So now you have a delivery. So regular you are doing 900 and you are doing your F2 billing 900 bill directly customer. This is for vendor. What exactly happens for remaining 600? Okay, the 600, for this 600 the process is like this: order, purchase requisition will be created, and purchase order. Requisition is nothing but it is like a kind of a document, like your inquiry and quotation only, but it is very powerful at purchase side. There it has some interest and understanding to convert into the legal document, like purchase order for your vendor. Okay, so then 600 created, PR created. Okay, with 600, give it to your vendor, then it will be PO will be converted. Then you do the MIGO. That means your inventory receives this as a special stock. Okay, and again, what you do? Miro. Your vendor will send an invoice to Unilever. Okay, so till here it is fine. Vendor transaction is finished. What you are going to do? Once you receive the stock, you will send to the regular outbound delivery for Harish actually. Okay, the 600 stock. So you will bill Harish for 600 stock. So some example which came to my mind, I have explained on an instant to give some knowledge today. Okay, this is the process. Let's see this transactional process, how it works actually. Okay, so only difference, another party will involve, either third party sales or individual purchase order. That is the basic difference. So third party vendor directly deliver to your customer. Here we will receive the stock for our company. Then that special stock will send it to that particular customer only, because since he is ordered. Okay, let's see the transactional process configuration. If you're aware of that, that is good. Okay, so let me open SAP skin. So let's see this. Sometimes we will get some errors. That's okay. So I think my channel viewers aware of this. My name is Jagdish Kumar Raidu, real-time SAP SD practitioner. So I'm having total 17 to 18 years of experience in both sales and consulting. I'm particularly working for a few MNCs, and okay, that's all you can able to see in this profile. So I have some set of courses, an SD course 80 hours and full configuration and transactional level. And this is for pricing. If you have doubts, you can go through it. Currently price is showing so high every day. It is dynamically changing. Probably you can try on Monday, or else tomorrow's night, weekend sometimes. Okay, the price will be reduced to 400, 500. And this is these are the courses, so you can listen with real-time examples. And if you are not yet introduced to real-time, getting master to write and functional specification, this is very, very important. You please go through this course. And again, stock transfer, if you have a doubt, intercompany sales, you can go through it. And let's come here. SAP SD ECC S4 HANA advanced pricing concepts and rebates. If you already learned the pricing above 8 hours, another 9 hours is going to give goosebumps. Okay, you can learn this. Rebates and all other set of the courses, I'm just giving it cheaper price. If you'd like to enhance, you can utilize it. And if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's come here. Let's go to the sales order first. So this is the document I'm using. So let's take this customer and let's try to take. So you can see this. This is how the requisition will generate. Okay, so what is the basic difference here? In procurement level, you have KE. This is going to add, like, make to order kind of scenario, because it is externally procured, the stock will be added. We have different kind of settings will be there. And the tab is the item category, whereas third party you have a tax. All these are the interview questions. Sometimes people will ask. Okay, be ready for the game. So let's come here, go to the schedule lines. We'll have this one. Okay, configuration sections, I don't want to give detail. This is specifically for who would like to see the process and create an interest to learn this process. Let's save this and let's go to VA03. Let's press enter. So double click on this, go to the schedule lines. Okay, your purchase requisition got created. This is the number for the requisition. Okay, this is purchase requisition. Now go to ME 21N or else ME57. You can use any one of the transaction. We are going to the second step. That means the requisition we are assigning to vendor. Hey boss, we need this stock to be delivered to our company. So ME21N or ME57. Okay, ME22N is the change mode. So let's go for this. Different ways is there to assign. Okay, so let's come here. So you see this is the requisition. Okay, let's copy this. If you want, you can give the line item, no issues. Okay, so GL account 75000 cannot be used. So let's do one thing. Let me try to change FS000. So I'll get a couple of errors. I'll try to make changes accordingly because this is the difference between, like, field status group feels different from your account assignment E, right? In your scheduling category, you're getting this issue. Let's keep this one. No issues, we will change it accordingly. Okay. Now go to ME21N. Okay. So let's come here. If you want, you can give the details at the time of direct manual creation. Let's try to check this. Okay. Now this is fine. Let's save this order, only warning messages. Okay. Now let's go to Vigo. Okay. So purchase order. So let's check the document flow first. Before that, okay, this is a purchase order 3036 ME Go. May go next step. So 3036. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, let's click this. This is the receipt we are doing for our company. Okay, before that, I'm not going to do this one. Let me show you this. What is this material? This material is this one, right? Let's try to check the stock actually. Okay, MMB or else MB52 also there. Let's click here. So now currently on order stock, it is showing one pack is 500 grams, right? Okay, so it is not available in your unrestricted stock now, as of now. So now let's go to Migo and let's give the 3036. Let's execute. Let's select this. We might get some errors. Okay, document is okay. Let's post it. So we're getting this error. Let me correct this one. So let's post it. Okay, document got posted. If you would like to create incoming invoice, you can able to create it. Before that, let me go to MMBE. Let's try to check. See, now stock is added on order stock. That means it came to your inventory. Now you got an eligibility to deliver this one VL01N. So this is fine. Okay. So let's come here. Let's come to picking. Okay. Now go to VA03. So I'm telling you, I'm just showing the transactional process, not the configuration. If you want configurations, you can subscribe my channel. You can try it. Probably I might have already uploaded, then it is good to go. So now let's do the customer invoice. Okay. So this is how flow will be there. Purchase order. Okay. If you'd like to check here, go to line items and you can see this, the stock as well as 500 total I have done. This is how you can able to do the individual purchase order. So you can able to do Miro also. So this is invoice either before or after. So but in third party sales, you have to do it before or after also you can do it. Depends on the scenario. 3026. I think 30. Okay. Now let's try to calculate the tax also. 115. How it is going to lead? C is for errors. Okay. Simulate. Okay. Now everything came. We're creating, we're posting. Sometime posting also will get errors. Don't worry. So now go to PA03. Okay. So that is purchaser doc flow. Okay. This is at our sales order level. This is how you can able to run the individual purchase order. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, you can able to subscribe it. So like, if you'd like to enhance your knowledge at real time level, if you'd like to learn the standard with perfection, just subscribe my courses. Thank you very much. More importantly, Jai Hind.